Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Today's dish is a classic paneer butter masala, rich, creamy and full of flavor. Let's get into it. You'll need paneer, tomatoes, butter, cream, cashews and Kashmiri red powder for color, garam masala for warmth, kasuri methi for depth, coriander leaves for garnish. Start with butter and drop in a bay leaf first. Add onion, ginger garlic and cashews and saute until soft and lightly golden. Now add your tomato puree and let it cook down until it softens. If you don't know how to make a tomato puree, click the link on the top right of the screen. Stir in Kashmiri red chili powder. It gives that rich red color without too much heat. Remove the bay leaf. Blend it smooth. Then stir in a spoon of butter for that glossy finish. Gently add the paneer cubes and let them soak up the sauce. Sprinkle in garam masala for warmth. This is what gives the curry its signature depth. Crush kasuri methi between your palms and add it in. This is what makes it taste like a restaurant. Finish with a swirl of cream. Top it with fresh coriander for a pop of color and freshness. Serve it hot with non-comfort food at its finest. Subscribe for more Indian classics.